tom.sewid, Kwakwaka'wakw, and Cree First Nations artist. This is a Douglas fir bowl made by the late Bill Luce. Bill, L-U-C-E. Google it, images. You'll see all his master lathe-turned bowls that he did, based in Renton, Washington, up until his passing in June of 2022. But he gifted me and about 1,000 of these bowls, different sizes, and this is one of my creations. It's yellow dye and alcohol stained bowl, and really makes the grains pop out. And I painted 2 hummingbirds with cherry blossoms on it. Beautiful bowl. If you're interested, please get a hold of me at my email, tom.sewid@gmail.com. tom.sewid.